Okay, I've been putting this off for a little while. I've gotten this like probably a few weeks back. I've been messing with it, but I wasn't sure if I really wanted to post this quite yet or not. But I'm kind of stumped on how to solve it. It's the Mark One, all the STL files to the 3D printing. I've been having trouble for people who've been keeping up with the channel throughout the past year or so. I made some videos back during the summer and so forth on how to Mark One and STL files and whether or not I was able to 3D print it. But I found a company. It's I think it's JLCPCB or so. If you look, you can kind of make it out. I mean, I think that's supposed to be like JLCCPB or so. Doesn't have no more writing on it, but I tried to make some of the 3D prints, and one of them came back as it had errors on the jaw. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to be able to fix Ricky Ma's SDL file to clean it up, so the 3D printing company would be able to 3D print that. But here's the gist of it. This would be the neck portion of it. Let me see if I can be able to set this up, show it. Here in the book, if you look at it, the Ricky Ma's book, and here's the piece that it's supposed to be. You look at it, it's going to go down something like, I guess, like that or so, and it will do that, but be able to make the metal fabrication and it's going to be the metal fabrication that goes into here and here. There's going to have to be turbos put here. It's going to be the part of the doll that goes into the neck. So I got that part. So I took it out of the plastic, and it's going to be the part supposed to go like right here, but this is, I believe this is supposed to be the head one. It should match up to go like right that in some way to set it up in that form. And if we look, we should be able to find the head 2. That should be this one here. It should be able to go in there like that. And look, find it. It's the head 3. Should be able to go in here and set it up like that. But yeah, I mean, it's a work in progress, but here's the pieces I've gotten so far. Believe I can't remember what part's which right now at the top of my head. I know that's the neck. I believe this goes into the mouth. They said, I think this was the piece they said that came 2 pieces in one STL. So I think somehow that got fixed by pulling it, extracting it out of the STL file. But the jaw is still being a problem. I gotta fix the jaw somehow. Or how to fix the jaw. But yeah, I'm working on it, and hopefully sooner or later it will be able to get bettered. But instead of actually trying to get the 3D printer to work for me, I just went ahead and went through a company. So yeah, so eventually we might be able to make a Mark 1. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that necessarily artwork for it, but I think you have to sculpt your own. But as we're going to see, I mean, boy, look, this is the current doll that I built off the mannequin. I've been doing that for 2 years. I figure if I just maybe go another 2 years or so, I might be able to put together the actual 3D printed version instead of just milking the mannequin forever. So, okay, I just wanted to share where I'm at on the 3D printing side of it. And if you have any idea how to fix maybe STL files and clean it up for a 3D printing company to accept it, you can leave that in the comments, because I'm still trying to figure out how I'm supposed to fix Ricky Moss 3D prints, much less trying to get to the other prints. That's going to give me that much more of a headache. But yeah, that's where I'm at.